Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is part 2 of the tie-dye Mickey shirts, and it is officially tie-dye Christmas. I love this day. So what we're going to do is we are going to untie each shirt separately and rinse it before we ever go on to another shirt, because we do not want to muddy up any of the shirts. Some of them have some really light collars on them. Others have some really dark collars on them, and we do not want to mix those. So each bag has one shirt for this reason. So what we're going to do is just rinse them out, and I will get back to you towards the end of this rinse out process. It's really simple. Just rinse it until the collar stops flowing when you're rinsing. Then what we're going to do is throw them in the dryer to set the collar. After that's done, we will go and work on the bleaching around the design to get a nice clean edge. So bear with me and we'll come back when it's the next step. Okay, I wanted to show you really quick. Remember when I mentioned you wanted to make sure you were very careful with your collars because you didn't want the muddy coloration? This is what I'm talking about. This is the bottom of the shirt. We're going to see how it turned out here in a few minutes, but this is just how this shirt looked after I took it out of the bag. This is after it's set all night. You can see there is some white in there, which we want. That's going to show the tie-dye part. But yeah, I will get this rinsed out and we will go from there. Okay, so this is the design for this shirt, the blue and gold shirt. And honestly, I'm really thrilled with it. I don't think I'm going to need to touch it up with bleach. Just look how awesome that turned out, guys. I know there's a little bit of bleeding with the yellow coming up to the Mickey design. But I'm okay with that. It's a tie-dye. It's not supposed to be perfect. And overall, this shirt, it's still soaking wet, so of course the colors are super vivid right now, but they're still going to be vivid after we dry it. I just wanted to show you how that process that we did on the dry shirts. I'm quite pleased with it. I think it turned out really good. Okay, these are all the larges. So here's the pink and green one. You could see how Mickey got a little bit marbled with his coloration. And this is also, you see a little bit more white on this shirt than you do all the rest of them. Reason being is my spiral was a little bit tighter with this shirt. So the collars didn't get down into the shirt, into the wrinkles, quite as well as they did the other ones. So this is where, when we were doing that part, I was telling you not to make it too tight because you would have more of this. Although I like it, it's not too white. But yeah, there's the pink and green one. Here's the black and green one. I think it turned out really, really good. I still may use a little bit of bleach around there. I'm not 100% sure because the Mickeys in these shirts turned out really, really good. So I'm not real sure. And here is the light blue and dark blue one, which, let's face it, this one's fantastic. So these are all large. And I'll show you the two that I did in 2X also. Again, over here in the arm, you can see where it was just the spiral itself was wound just a little bit. Not too bad. I do love these colors though. This turned out really good. Okay, so this one is the purple and teal. A 2X. It did get a little bit tighter on the roll. But I'm really pleased with the coloration that came out. This Mickey's also a little bit marbled. Unfortunately, my teal got on my Mickey before I had a chance to put my purple on there. But I really like the starburst coming out of Mickey's head. I think that looks really good. And then the one I am most proud of is my blue and gold one. This one turned out fantastic. I am going to use a little bit of bleach because I want to down here around the bottom of Mickey where it's a little wonky. I want to get that cleaned up a little bit. So I will use a little bit of bleach on him. But overall, I think they turned out fantastic. And we just did the spiral on the back, so it's a little bit different. But yeah, all the shirts have just the regular spiral on the back. Nothing, no Mickeys or anything. Just did the Mickeys on the fronts. But yeah, next step is to put them in the dryer and dry them, and then I'll do another video with the bleaching. And I'm contemplating whether or not I want to do words like iron-on transfers or something on these shirts. I'm not sure yet. But if I do, I will do another video on that. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I'm going to put them in the dryer now so that the collars will set. I just wanted to show you an update on them, and hope this inspires you to possibly make you some of your very own tie-dyed Mickeys. I'll show you the back of this one real quick before. So it's, well, it's supposed to be a spiral. You can kind of see that spiral right here. But yeah, all the shirts are different. Remember yesterday, in yesterday's video, I said no two shirts was ever going to be the same. This is an example. So everything twists and turns differently when you're putting them together. But overall, my collars turned out really nice and bright. Only a little bit of muddy on the back of this shirt. But overall, I like the collar combinations it made. Gives a little bit more depth and character, I think. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be doing some more how-to videos on Mickey related items if you're interested. Just keep checking back. I'll be posting them here pretty soon. Hope you guys are enjoying your day, and talk to you later. Bye.